Poultry products. What sets them apart from the competition? It could be the breed, production method, organic free range, eye taste, nutritional value, or any special certifications. Furthermore, consumers are increasingly interested in the story behind their food. Showcase your farm's practices, commitment to animal welfare, and connection to the land to create an emotional connection with your audience. Utilize various marketing channels to reach your target audience. You can sell directly to consumers at farmers markets, roadside stands, or through a farm delivery service if feasible. Additionally, partnering with restaurants, grocery stores, or distributors allows you to sell your products in bulk. Creating an online presence is also crucial. Develop a website or social media pages to showcase your farm and products